Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene, and in today's video we're doing a little mini haul of some of the perfumes and items I picked up from Bath and Body Works. So if you want to see the items that I picked up, what my opinions are on, my first impressions are on the perfumes, then just stay tuned. All right, so you guys, the last time I did my haul, I was saying that I had several things that I was waiting to come in the mail, and I'm finally videoing that. So I told you that I had a couple of other body butters that I was waiting to come in. So that's what these are, the Gingham All American. On this one, I love the packaging that this one has. This one has the, let's see. Ooh, it looks kind of crusty around the edges. They probably overflowed this. It's probably filled up to the rim. And when they had to close it, oh yeah. Well, it's kind of, it smells wonderful. Okay. So that is that one. And then the other one is At the Beach. So got this one as well. It says peel here for what? Oh, you peel it and gives you the notes and everything, ingredients. So this one is white frangipani blossoms, toasted coconut, bergamot water, sea salt breeze, and sun-kissed musk. You already know that I love this this mist. So now I got it in the body butter as well. I'm gonna peel this other one so I can show you as well. The All American one was the new Gingham they released this year that has the juicy red fruits, white freesia, and blueberry sugar. So that's what that one has. All right. So those two butters came in. And you guys, for the back to school, they had a bunch of their hand sanitizers that went on sale. So I got quite a few of these in here. Coconut, vanilla almond. Oh, cozy vanilla almond. Into the night. We got a couple of those. You know, that's one of my favorite scents. That's another Into the Night. Milk. Rose water and ivy. This is another milk one. And then this one is lavender and vanilla from their aromatherapy line. The pomegranate and blackberry one. And I got some of these because when you're wearing those kind of scents, I got a couple of more cozy vanilla, almond vanillas here. Like I said, I got quite a few of these because I wanted to keep them on hand. Here's another lavender, vanilla, and milk. And another cozy almond vanilla, another milk. This one is a warm vanilla sugar, another Into the Night, and another warm vanilla sugar. So wanted to share that with you all because I did take advantage of that sale that they had for the back to school, trying to make sure everybody's staying nice and healthy as they're going back together. You know, once the kids start going back to school, germs start flying. So I'm glad to have these. And like I said, you know, when you have your scents on, sometimes you don't want to have some other crazy scent out there that you're trying to put on that doesn't really go with what you're wearing for today. So I got some of these because I know I was going to be wearing some of these scents coming up into the fall, and I want to make sure I had those on hand. So let's get to the perfumes. Vanilla Ease is the first one. And you guys, this one has the lavender blossoms, creamy vanilla, and soft cedarwood. So I wanted to get this because that it's tight. It is tight. There it goes. What do they say in here? An ode to the creamy warmth of vanilla, delicately intertwined with the soft floral undertones of lavender. the most timeless essence of tranquility and elegance in fine fragrance. Soothing yet sophisticated, it's a harmonious balance that redefines comfort. Embrace the allure of vanilla ease. I'm going to grab my Burberry Goddess because the spray in the dry down reminds me a lot of Burberry Goddess, and I want to compare this vanilla ease, the perfume version, to a Burberry Goddess. So give me just a second. All right. So I got the Burberry Goddess. I made sure I did not get my intense version. This is the regular EDP. So let's get our sprayers out. So I'm going to spray Burberry Goddess on this one here. I love this scent. Sit that right there. So let's spray this vanilla ease. See what I think of her. Yup. This one is a slight bit stronger, the regular Burberry. But this is very, very close. Very close. Okay. Yeah, this is the Goddess is definitely stronger as far as projecting the scent. But this is spot on. I mean, it's so close. If it ain't 100%, it's so close. Very nice. Woo! Okay. I'm going to do wear test on this, you guys. See how long the ease hold up. But so far, it's close. It's close. So far, so good. And this one has been in my collection for a few months now. So I just sprayed this one for the first time. So this one might get stronger as it sits because of that vanilla maturing and everything. But it's close now. And this one just smells a slight bit stronger. And it could be, like I said, because this already had this one for a while. This one had already been sprayed and been sitting. Yeah. All right, Bath and Body Works, I see you. I see you. Trying to get on board with these inspired buys. All right. Okay. Good job. Good job. All right, so let's move on to the next one. That was Vanilla Ease. Vanilla Ease. They did a good job. Good job. All right, so let's go on to the Vanilla Romance because I already know I love this body mist. I have backups of it. I got body butters in it. I love it. But I never broke down and got a perfume. Did they offer it in a perfume? Because I don't remember seeing it in a perfume. But they could have, and they could have sold out of it. And I never saw it. But this one has fresh cardamom, vanilla absolute, and captivating wood. So that's the same exact notes. And this one says, a love letter to vanilla, one of the most desired luxuries in fine fragrance, is all in the details. Captivating yet comforting. Decadence made from highlighting a single note, presenting a fragrance like no other. Vanilla's natural allure is delicately laced with notes of fresh aromatic spice. Envelop yourself in a vanilla romance. I love the body spray in this, so I hope this perfume does not let me down. This is what it looks like coming out of the bottle. Let's spray her. First impressions. I am definitely picking up on the cardamom and the vanilla. They did it. They did it. It smells like the spray, but stronger. So I sure do hope that this has a good longevity to it, because that's what will make me love it more. But first impressions, sniffing it off the paper here, it's good. Yes, yes. Okay. All right, vanilla. And you guys, I did not get that Vanilla Cafe. I told you that that one was kind of disappointing to me as far as the vanilla offerings this year. Vanilla Ease was, they hit it out the park. And Vanilla Cafe to me was a little lacking. Now, I haven't smelled it since I got it with you guys, so I need to smell it again, because maybe after sitting a couple of weeks, it might have changed a little bit. But as of right now, I was only interested in those two vanillas as far as perfume versions of them. So let's move on to the last but not least, Into the Night. Into the Night looks like this in this little bottle. I love the little gold little detail on here. But what does this one? It's the same notes that the bottom has. As raspberry noir, amber crystals, velvety rose petals, creamy patchouli, and mocha musk. This is another one. I love the spray in it. So I hope this is a good perfume version. Ooh. Yes. This, and the reason why I love Into the Night, just like I love that Vanilla Romance, is it got character to it. It's got a depth to it, got warmth to it, and it has character. And this is what, oh my, this one says timeless, feminine, and alluring. And that's exactly what it's giving. That raspberry with the florals is amazing. And it has that warmth to it. This one is so good. What size did this come in? What size is this? A 1.7. Are all of these 1.7s 50 mils? Yep. Yep. So all of these came in the 1.7 50 mils. Oh, I would definitely get 100 mil in this if they had it. Oh my goodness. It is so good. Oh, that is so good. I hope these have good longevity, because these, all three of those, I love them. Each and every one of them, I love them. Yeah. Yeah. I love all of those. So that is it, you guys. Tell me if you got these perfumes down below. If you did, what are your thoughts on the Vanilla Romance, the Vanilla Ease, and the Into the Night perfumes from Bath & Body Works? Drop it down. Be sure to like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. It is free. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.